My name is Jenny Sims. I'm the Chief Executive of Pembrokeshire FRAME, and I established it in 1994 to provide work practice and training opportunities for people with and recovering mental ill health. I started FRAME as a result of being given 2 wardrobes when I was running a day centre for social services for people with mental ill health. They had the idea that maybe if we collected up unwanted furniture, we could give it to people when they were in need. And that was the start of the organisation. The best achievement of recent years, I feel, is moving us out of corrugated tin sheds into a proper building. In terms of the future, at the back of the car park, I'm hoping to build maybe 3 or 4 small units, which we're going to use as mini social enterprises to allow some of our participants to fly their own ideas for a business under the umbrella of FRAME, but independent as well.